In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a room list to your Outlook calendar. If you regularly book meeting spaces, adding room calendars right into Outlook makes it much easier to see availability at a glance and schedule with confidence. Start by opening Outlook and switching to Calendar View. You can do this from the left navigation pane. Click the calendar icon so you're looking at your schedule rather than your inbox. This ensures the controls you need are visible across the top ribbon. Next, look at the ribbon for the Manage Calendar section. Depending on your Outlook version, you'll see an option labeled Add, or Open Calendar. Click that. A drop-down appears with several sources. Choose from Room List. In newer versions, this might be labeled Add from Directory, which leads you to the same place for rooms and room lists. A selection window will open with available room lists and individual rooms. Room lists are collections, often grouped by building or floor, while individual rooms are single calendars. You can search by name to quickly narrow things down, or scroll to browse what's available. When you find the rooms or the room list you want, double-click each one to add it to your selection. You'll see them move into the selection area as you go. When you're done, click OK. Outlook adds those calendars and overlays them with your own so you can compare schedules easily. Once added, the room calendars will appear either on the right side alongside your calendar or directly overlaid on top, depending on your current view. On the left, in your calendar list, you'll see checkboxes next to each room and room list. Use those checkboxes to show or hide them whenever you need a cleaner view or want to focus on specific rooms. Outlook typically assigns different colors automatically, which helps you quickly distinguish each calendar. If you're managing several calendars at once, adjust how they display to improve clarity. You can enable split view to place calendars side by side, which is helpful for lining up start and end times across multiple rooms. Or use overlay mode to stack them into a single view, ideal when you want to spot conflicts without scanning across columns. The view controls for switching between side by side and overlay are available at the top of your calendar. That's it. You've added room lists to Outlook and learned the best ways to view and manage them so scheduling becomes faster and more reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.